This delightful GL Homes Crown Collection GENOVA floor plan offers 2,088 square feet of resplendent living space. The magnificent feature of this home is the view of the pond that is best taken in from the expansive screened-in lanai and extended patio. The pond is vibrant with nature's treasures. Enjoy the aquatic plants such as purple pickerelweed, white lily pads, yellow canna lilies, and white and yellow duck potato. The wildlife that graces this pond are great blue herons, white egrets, Anhinga, Ibis, Woodstorks, Roseate Spoonbills, Otters, Mallards, and whistling ducks. If serenity is what you seek, this property will definitely provide that setting. With no backyard neighbors, your privacy and serenity are guaranteed. The house is also quite a jewel, featuring a master bedroom with coffered ceilings with an ensuite bathroom and 2 walk-in closets, a guest bedroom which is spacious and at the opposite end of the house affording assured privacy, an office/den with full glass double French doors, and a wide-open floor plan for the common areas. The kitchen features Corian counters with a molded sink, a built-in pantry, abundant white cabinetry with pot drawers, under and over cabinet lighting in addition to recessed pot lights and a bar-height island counter. The adjoining dinette can be your everyday indoor space to eat and take in the view of the pond through 8 feet wide double sliding glass doors. The dining room offers space for more formal settings while still being connected to the main living areas. The comfortable great room offers sizable space to socialize and enjoy the backyard view through 12 feet wide sliding glass doors. There is also surge protection on the external HVAC compressor and Eaton Complete Home surge protection on the main panel. With the recent addition of Accordion-style Hurricane Shutters, you will be able to safely secure your home in minutes and with little effort.